midnight Eastern Standard Time tonight. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms this evening. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds and tornadoes. Windy and cooler wind flows in the lower 40s. Urgent weather message for the following county, Knox County, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Knox County until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 7 miles east of Centerburg, or 8 miles southwest of Mount Vernon, and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gambidia, Danville, Martinsburg, North Liberty, Amity, Bladensburg, and Ghent.
Doubleheader.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from West Salem to 9 miles northwest of Shreve and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Shreve, Worcester, Whitman, Creston, Orville, Doylestown, Dalton, Mount Eden. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. This storm has a history of producing damaging winds. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county, Wayne County, Ohio.
Urgent weather message.